that. Yeah.
Welcome to the Gonzo Book. I am Jose. Shelly is watching TV. I'm not sure. Just got back from Reading, an appointment, so just settling down. So not sure what I'm going to do today. So let me check it out. Oh, we got an email from Matt RV Reviews. Let's check that out. Hey Jose, it's Matt here from Liquify. Hope you're loving your new Liquishine Wash and Wax 20 fluid ounce. If you got a sec, drop us a quick review. Your feedback means a lot. Help us keep making things better. Thanks a bunch. Thanks a ton for being part of the Liquify family. You rock. Yeah, Matt's RV Review just came out with a new product, Wash and Wax. They got four different and I just got their package a few days ago, and so let me check it out. This side up. Oh, look what I got. T-shirt, founding member. That's nice. 2XL, nice. I like it. Thanks, Matt. Appreciate it. Let's see what I got in here. All right, I got my 4 sprayers. Ooh, that's nice. I like the bottles, man. It feels like it's a good quality bottle. See, that's the RV and Odo Wash and Wax Liquishine. It says Pro Level Clean, sells and protects, easy application. Man, this is a very nice bottle. Yeah, I like that bottle. It's easy to hold too. Yeah, keep that bottle, it's nice. Good design, Jen. Good design. Alright, this is 2 different bottles here. This one is the Bug and Tar Remover. That's it. Yes. Matt and Will's little avatar there. Little cartoon avatar. For more tips in using Bug and Tar, you have a QR code. You can just scan it. Probably take you to a nice video to show you how to use it. You shouldn't have to read all the directions. I recommend reading the directions before you put anything on your RV, just in case your RV has a special clear coat or something that you don't want to use this on. I'm not sure. You have to read the directions. Yeah, that's a nice little bottle. This is a smaller bottle than this one. This is 20. This is 16. Luckily, this didn't leak. The cap was off of it. I'm glad Matt didn't give me one of those ugly ass keychains. Black Streak Removal. Pro Level Clean, non-abrasive, erases stains fast. And it's also 16 fluid ounces. So now I'm a big fan of this bottle. I'm not a big fan of this bottle here. I wish they all would have came 20 ounce like that. It's okay though. Oh, roof cleaner, that's what it is. Roof cleaner. So Pro Level Clean, non-abrasive, rubber, TPO, PVC, and fiberglass safe. Yeah, this is the one I was thinking. There's one type of roof maybe that you can't use this on. So make sure you read the directions. So these 3 are small, 16 ounce. And then the Wash and Wax came with a nice bottle. I wish all of them would have came in this bottle, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Nothing else. Look at that. I got a Liquishine pin. Was that because I was a founding member, Matt? I'm not sure. I did get a keychain. Thanks, Matt. Liquishine. Liquishine. It's like a dog tag. And I got one set. I bought one set back in early November, I believe it was. And I was part of the founding member. So I think they have a banner with my name on it or whatever. Hopefully it's the Gonzo Book on there. And we just bought. We're a founding member, so. Well, let me go down and check out RV and wash this sucker. All right, see you in a little bit.
It's snowing again, time to shovel again, time to clear the walkway again, time to clear the driveway again, time to take some Motrin again, all that work I rate a 10. It's equivalent to 20 men. Would I do it again? It depends. But now it's time for a nap. Amen. Oh crap, it's snowing again.
Matt, I live in Pennsylvania. There's snow on the ground here in PA. There's no way I'm going to watch that RV until at least April. So when you're sending me these emails, how do we do? Well, I don't know. I gotta wait till at least April. I'm not gonna even do it in March, even if we had a few summer sunny days, because I have to take it to get inspected. Once I get it inspected, we're gonna go out to an RV site, and let me get my hat back right now. We're gonna go to an RV camping site somewhere near where we do our inspection, and make sure everything works again. And then once I get back, then man, I'm gonna clean it. I'm gonna wash and wax that whole thing, make it look nice. Because we're gonna try to go out a little bit more. What we're gonna do is, when we're RVing, we're gonna do local. Pennsylvania, the surrounding area there. Anywhere else, no, because we don't want to travel more than 2 to 4 hours somewhere. And when we go anywhere further, we're gonna use a hotel. That's what we're gonna do for now. I don't really have a review yet, except for Matt's RV Review is a very good company. They made this product. They didn't put something out and slap their label on it. I think they went through the process of trying to find the best, because it's going to go with their liquefied product. So their liquefied product works really good. It is a good black tank cleaner, and I think it works well. Okay, so we get it. As a matter of fact, I never bought one. He's been giving me some free stuff. He gave me 2 big bottles and 2 small bottles 2 Hershey shows ago, and I still got 1.5 or 2 more bottles left. That's how much we don't go camping as much as we want. So we've been using it, but I still got 2 bottles left. So now I got my Liquishine. So I'm gonna try it out in April when it gets hot, and then I'll give you my full review there. And Matt promised me liquefy for life, and I never asked him for a bottle since 2 years. When he gave me those 4 original bottles, I never asked him, and I probably never will, because he's trying to run a business anyway. The only reason why he said we get liquefied for life is because on his Facebook group, he was asking for ideas, and I sent him an idea, and he actually implemented it on the first Liquishine label. And it's not on there now, and it's fine. So he gave me 4 bottles. I'm good. I don't like to beg for stuff. He even gave me his personal phone number, which I still have, but I'm not going to. Hey, I need another bottle. Hey, I need another bottle. No, I'll just get my own. It's fine. They sell them at Walmart now, so I can just get it at Walmart. But I do appreciate it, though. Matt, it's just too nice. He's a nice guy. Every time I go to the Hershey RV show, we always stop by just to say hello. So with that being said, this product, I can't review it now, but around April when I do my first wash, the next day probably, or that same day, I would give my review of this product. So I can't give you a 5-star or a 4-star, whatever. I can only give you how they packaged it and everything else. But the bottle is pretty nice, man. I like it. Very professional. Even the small ones are nice, but I wish they were all in this particular volume. Alright, that's all I have. Thank you, Matt, for this. I appreciate it. It wasn't free. I paid for $99 for it. $99.99. So, but I do appreciate the customer service and your friendship. And without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.
That's happy magic. Still show. Hit the road. Let the adventures unwind. Liquid shine. You're